Hey everyone, this is Shai from Green Advisor in Sherman Oaks. Finished a beautiful project, front yard, artificial turf, custom driveway. Let's go to the back. We just passed in final inspection for 800 square feet of ADU from scratch, build up. Brand new custom pool. Thank you for our friends in Flexitech. Finished the pool. New wall, artificial turf, new drain system. Beautiful backyard in Sherman Oaks, California. Let's get into the ADU, see what we did. Here we have the kitchen. Small living room. That's the bathroom. Walk-in shower, tile. That's a storage place. 2 rooms. Beautiful, finished, ready to go. Happy customer. Green Advisor.